to my channel again. This video is just to show you how to find a word out of your whole document if you've got several pages and to replace it with additional words. So the easiest way to do this is I've opened a document that I have opened and I would like to replace a word in this document, and I can't be bothered to go through all 12 pages to replace each word. So the easiest way to do this is if you go onto your keypad and just the easiest shortcut is Control H. So click on the document because it won't work any other way. Control H and this will pop up. You type in the word that you want to identify out your document. So find and replace. I will put bubbles. And what you want to replace it to. So I want to put twinkle. And then if you click on replace all, and it will tell you that it's done, it's completed, and 117 were found in your document and it's replaced. So you can't see any more bubbles there, and it's been replaced with twinkle. Thank you for listening, and I hope this works for you.